stays on. So 2 runs, 2 laps. That's the third one. Let's see 2 more. Hopefully it's a pass. Let me start this Senti engine also. Yeah, the coaches are coming together. My coach is just behind. Seems to be okay. The Alco is stuck. Let me start it. Oh, the Alco is derailed, and I've just stopped the train as well. Okay, let me put it back on track. Oh, it wants to run. Right, so let me start the express as well. So the coach is fine, runs all fine. Alco seems to be in a rush. It doesn't like that part of the curve, this empty Alco. Seems to be stuck. Okay, so I'll stop the passenger train and see. I'll just switch this Alco off. Oh. Right. So, okay. So now we'll try to reverse this into the siding, but this locomotive has European coupling and the coaches have metal KD couplers, so I'm expecting some issues, this buffers, and when the locomotive actually starts pushing the coaches. So we'll try to reverse into the siding. So points are now set. So fingers crossed. I don't know whether this will work or not.